Hello everyone, I'm Swati and welcome back to another video by the iSkill. I know almost all of us use various AI tools every single day for making our work easier. For example, ChatGPT for writing purpose, Claude for coding purpose, Gemini, Perplexity for research purpose, and various other AI tools for making presentations, creating videos, generating images, etc. All those tools are great at something, but there is one problem. The problem is we keep jumping from one website to another, copying prompts, comparing answers, and these things eventually waste a lot of time. So what if I told you you can access all your favorite AI models from a single dashboard? That's where Use.ai is helpful. So here the question comes, what is Use.ai? So Use.ai is an all-in-one AI assistant platform that offers access to 25 plus top AI models like Gemini, GPT, Claude and many more from a single dashboard, saving individuals from app fatigue and boosting productivity. So here we can see that there are lots of popular AI models, 25 plus models here we can see, including GPT, Gemini, Claude, etc. And Use.ai is helpful for every task, for generating images, for generating files, help me write, learn about, brainstorming the ideas, analyzing data, summarizing text, analyzing images, improvising writing, translation, and for generating ideas. So it's a one-stop platform where you can access all these things from a single dashboard. Now let's just talk about the key features of Use.ai. So here we can see that it's a multi-model access. From one subscription, you can access many models, which is much more efficient. Another thing is that it's an unlimited switching, jump between models is seamless. So now you don't need to waste your time by jumping from one website to another, because from a single dashboard, you can access 25 plus AI models. Along with that, voice and language support. Talk to the AI or get answers in 25 plus languages. Real world use cases here, we can do writing part, planning, research, coding, translation. And the clean interface is something which helps us in doing all this process in a very seamless manner. Along with that, one interface for multiple leading AI models, useful for writing, ideation, learning, and problem solving. And the best part is, here we can compare the outputs and everything we can do from a single platform. So here we have discussed about Use.ai. Now it's a time to go deep dive into it and let's try some amazing use cases there. So this is the platform of Use.ai, one workspace with the world's smartest AI models. When we click on this, we can see that here we are having 25 plus AI models, like we can use Opus, GPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Kimi, and lots of other AI models are already here. You can use as per your requirements. And here we can like create any of the use cases, like we can generate images, generate files, we can analyze the data. So let's do one very interesting use case here. Let's analyze the data. So let me show you the data first here. So let's say we are having the data of Zomato, in which we are having the details of a restaurant, about the ordering details, about the pricing of the food. So these are the details we are already having. We would like to analyze this data. So let's just do that by using Use.ai. All right, so let's just analyze the data and we are going to write the prompt here. So we have simply write the prompt. So analyze the data and we would like to identify the main trends, patterns that is inside the data. And we would like to create the suitable visualization also. So for that purpose, we can use multiple AI models. So let me just click on this auto, and here we can select the model as per our requirements. So let's just select any model here. Let's select Gemini 3 Pro and we would like to attach the data here. So here we have already attached the data. We have used model Gemini 3 Pro and we have already given the prompt. So let's just enter and let's wait for the final result here. So after entering these details, we can see that the data is already started displaying here and the thinking mode has already started. We can copy chat, download chat also. And let's just wait for the final result here to see the insights for that data. So finally, here is the result. We can see that the complete analysis is there. Overall market distribution is there. And because we have mentioned in the prompt that we would like to have certain graphical analysis, so we can see the graphical analysis also, the comparison between popularity and engagement, service offerings, etc. Right? So here the complete analysis is provided. The summary is already there. We can find what are the unusual findings and data anomalies. Right now, we would like to do the same thing. We would like to see the same analysis, but with a different model, right? So let's select different model and see and compare the result between the various different models. So let's just select GPT 5.4 here. So this time we are having GPT 5.4 model and here we would like to compare the result between these two models. Earlier we have chosen that Gemini and right now we are using GPT 5.4. So let's compare the final result between these two models. So finally, here is the result, and we can see the overview. This data set appears to contain the following fields, and the first impression is there, data quality observation is there. So these are the details we are getting after doing the data analysis by using GPT 5.4 model. So here we can see the category distribution, insight, visualization is also there, right? In the category distribution, we can see that people prefer dining other than buffet. So these are the things that insights we are getting from the data. And for the visualization purpose, here we can see the restaurant category share. We can easily visualize the data by using this charts, and online ordering versus offline ordering. Another visualization is there. So here I think that in the GPT 5.4, the visualization is more, the data analysis is more, which is better than Gemini 3 model, right? So this kind of comparison you can easily do here without switching any tab, because all these models are available here in the single platform. So that is the best use case of use.ai. So let's try another use case here. Let's generate image, right? For generation of the images, we are going to write the prompt here. Let's say I want an image that is related to the aquatic life, right? So let me just write the prompt here. Create a vibrant underwater ocean filled with colorful marine creatures like tropical fish, sea turtles, jellyfish, and coral reefs, right? Soft sunlight streams through the crystal clear blue water, creating a magical and peaceful atmosphere. So this is the proper prompt that I have already provided. And with this prompt, I would like to select the model here. So let me select the model for image generation, and let's select something new. Let's select Opus 4.7 for this, right? And let's wait for the final result here. So here we can see that the thinking process is already started, and within few seconds the image will be visible here. So let's wait for the image here. So here we can see that we are getting a very beautiful image as we have described, and this image is really very cool. Let's try to compare this image with another model. So for this same use case, we are going to select model which is Grok 4.3. Let's wait for the final result here. Which is better? We can compare Grok 4.3 or the previous one. So this is the image we are getting from Grok model, and this is something which is cool. So here the main thing is that we can compare the images, the output, everything in the one platform, right? So let's just explore another use case here to understand more in detail. So let's explore another interesting use case. Let's try brainstorming, right? So for that, let me first write the prompt here. So let's say I want to start an e-commerce business. So I want to brainstorm the idea here. So I'm asking AI, act as a startup consultant and help me brainstorm profitable business ideas, identify marketing gaps, then validate market, define the target audience and the USP, recommend products, estimate cost, and create a step-by-step launch plan, right? So these are the brainstorming things I would like to do here, and for that I can select the model also. So let me select the model here, and I can select any of the model as per my wish. So let's select DeepSeek here. And one thing, like whatever be the things that you are writing here, you can easily use voice feature also, because it supports 25 plus languages, so you can easily use that too, right? So let's just brainstorm these ideas and wait for the final results. So after entering the prompt, the thinking process is already started. Let's wait for a while to see the final results here. So here we can see that the final response is here, current e-commerce landscape and profitable business models and ideas. So here we are getting the complete details, like we can start different models, print on demand, drop shipping, digital products, niche subscription, and along with used and refurbished. So these are the ideas we are getting here, and high opportunity, validating demand. Along with that, the complete launch plan step-by-step roadmap is already here. So we can use all these things for the brainstorming purpose. So use.ai is something which is really very helpful for you also. So the link is in the below description. You can check it out and you can try exploring the various use cases there. So use.ai is the one-stop solution, and the best part is with one subscription, you can access 25 plus models. So you can start with one free message to try the platform. And for unlimited access, you can choose even $1 7-day trial also. So here, all the details I have already provided you in the description box, and let me know in the comments what are your experience by using use.ai. So that's all for this particular video. Looking forward to meet you in another video. So stay curious and keep learning.